So what's a business plan? Well, it helps you figure out how to operate and grow. First up, let's talk services that you will be providing. Are you going long haul to different states or sticking to local deliveries within your state? You may consider expedited freight or hauling full loads with those big 80,000-pound semi-trucks. Knowing all of this before starting helps you tailor your plan well. Hiring drivers is next on the checklist. Are you driving the truck yourself, or are you hiring employees to do the work? What about office staff to help with paperwork and booking loads? Deciding this early can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And speaking of paperwork, taxes are a big part of the game. Consider a tax consultant for IFTA and IRS filings. Now let's talk about tools and support. Every truck over 26,000 pounds needs an ELD, which tracks your hours of service. You also need an alcohol and drug program for random testing. Building a competitive edge is huge. A good safety score and solid customer reputation go a long way. As for clients, load boards are your best friend when starting. But if you already have contacts, leverage those relationships to secure long-term customers. Dispatch services can also help coordinate loads, making your life easier. Keep an eye on your competitors. Are they more well-known? Do they have newer or different equipment? Understanding this can help you carve out your own niche. Lastly, set your goals. Is this a family business you want to pass down? Are you looking to expand your fleet? Maybe you're aiming to set up a solid retirement plan or just want to see the country. Define your short-term and long-term goals clearly. Think about cutting costs, owning equipment instead of leasing, and identifying your break-even point. Reinvesting profits back into the business can help ensure long-term growth. Check us out at FMCSA registration.com, or please call Registration LLC at 866-477-0707.